Hey sister girls, welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and do us some press on nails by Unice. Now Unice, inside of the wig box, you know they're known for their wigs, but inside of their boxes they also put you a few little gifts in there, like the press on nails and this cute little powder lace wig brush. Now this is super cute. When you're applying your lace front, you want to add your little powder to match your skin tone. You can brush it on with that. That was just super cute. It comes with some clamps and also an edge headband strap to keep them edges laid. But the star of the show are these lovely nails that it comes with. And they're so cute. It comes with 24 pieces. It also comes with the sticky gel set as well that you apply as the base. You apply those on top of your nails for extra security to make sure that your nails are protected and they last much longer. But I don't use the sticky gel paddings underneath my nails. I just apply them directly onto my nail. Now this is the pink rebel set. Now all the nails by Unice are different designs. Now receive this lovely pink rebel pink design, and which is just the standard plain nail. Some of them are coffin nails, some of them have the different designs on them, but I guess it just depends on the type of wig that you purchase or the price of your wig. It depends on the gift that you received from Unice. Okay, so the more money you spend, the more, you know, elegant and the more fabulous your nails may be. But these are the plain ones that I received, because I think my wig that I purchased that came in this box was about $79, I believe. So these are the nails that I received. So I'm pretty sure if you purchase a wig from them, that's about $200 some. Now I'm pretty sure you're gonna end up getting some fabulous gifts in your box. Okay, they always give for you, sis. No matter what the price is or the penny that you spend with them, they're definitely going to send you a few gifts. Now I love these nails. So what I'm doing here, I am just pressing back my cuticles with the cuticle sticks. And also it doesn't come with the cuticle stick or the nail filer or the glue, so you want to have that on hand. And I just already pre-sized my nails. If you've seen earlier, I pre-sized them, made sure every fingernail matched up with the size of my nail. And I use this little clear tray that it comes with to put the glue on, because I don't want any spillage running over and sticking to anything. So I usually stick my glue stick inside of that tray. And if you have any excess glue that's running off, it also have a few of those Unice notepads inside of the box. I just wipe along the excess with that. And yeah, I mean, these nails are absolutely gorgeous. Once you apply it onto your nails, you want to go ahead and press down for about 20 seconds per nail. Now they last quite a long time. Can you believe it? They last a long time through water and everything. It depends on the type of glue that you get, okay? But they last a long time. The texture of them is so gorgeous. It's so pretty. They're really thick. They last a long time. I feel like I just got my nails done, really. I have to say about 2 weeks I've had my nails, and I've only had 2 pop-offs, and that's because I was constantly running my hands through water. And the color lasts a long time. It doesn't chip or anything like that. The paint doesn't peel off of the nail of the plastic. Like, they last. I mean, it's really cute, very elegant. I love me some almond nail shade. I love almond shaped nails. Like, don't get me wrong, I love my long nails as well, the coffin shaped nails with all my bling. Like, you've seen me with my nails done. Like, my nails be fierce, okay? But this is the style that I love the most, which is the almond shaped nails. Very elegant, very simple, very pretty. Get lots done with my little short nails, okay? And it go with all of my little outfits. This pink is really pretty. It's giving me really springtime, but hey, it is what it is. Even though it's the winter times, you cannot go wrong with pink if you're a girly girl like me. If you're a girly girl, let me know, what is your favorite nail design, your shape, your favorite color nails, your favorite press-on nails? Comment below. But yeah, you should definitely purchase you some Unice nails, purchase you a wig. Let's see what nails that you get in your box as a gift. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look at there, so pretty. And I received lots of compliments on my nails as well. So yeah, so let me know if you like these nails. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below, and tell me your favorite nail story. Like, I want to know, have you had any embarrassing moments with your nails? Like, have you just been sitting there just going out maybe on a date or something, your nails just start popping off, or you speak with the coworkers or something, your nail just pop off? And it's like, oh my gosh, my nails is popping off. What is happening? What is happening? So embarrassing. I know someone out there have a embarrassing press on nail pop off story. Comment below your story. Let me know what happened to your nails, sis. Let me know what happened to your nail and when and what's going on. Okay, but these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. I will be purchasing more wigs from, of course, Unice, because I love me some nice wigs.